Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Actually, this is my first video on this channel. Other than that, I have one more channel wherein I did not get much response of you all. So I tried making another one. So hope this will be good. So actually, I'm in Hyderabad and that's my base location. And I'll just show you the view. See the view from my house. So I'm starting the video with my this thing that I'm showing my house to you all. See, this has got spoiled because I was there in Delhi and I couldn't take care of it, and that's my fault and I feel really bad, but this one is still there. So that's my kitchen. Not really good, but still काम चलाओ. And he is my karta right now. My blessing. So that's my house. That's my room. I have not maintained it nicely. That's my uniform. I've tied it there. Okay, that's my room. And I didn't meet the teammate, my doodle. He's here. So guys, actually we do not have much of the things in our home because we don't need it, and we don't have much because we don't need it. So as of now we have just very limited stuff which in daily use you can use. So that's my today is my home standby. I don't know what to say. Maybe you don't know home standby. So home standby is like we have to be in home, and if there is any requirement of us in office, they call us. Okay, what else? So that's my first video. So guys, if you want to see more, please show the response, and I would try my best to give all the informations about airlines and about me, about my vlogs, and about Hyderabad, especially biryani. Everyone is like Hyderabadi biryani and all that. So I'll take you through some of the restaurants which will be good in Hyderabad, and also some of the places, and also I'll make you to meet people here, and that's gonna be fun because I'll just end this vlog here only, and I'll try to make something for myself. I don't think so I should add it. Okay, so I have lemon and I feel like having jaljeera. Here you will not get much of the things. So that's my cup. Smells good. Smells nice. I love lemon. This is jaljeera powder. I just eat a lot of tikha. So we don't have good bottles also, so we are buying this. to stir this. Let me just taste the salt. I like bundi. Even in Hyderabad, you will not get bundi. They called khari to the bundi, and they don't know bundi ka raita as well. So that's sad. Okay, so guys, I'll just end the vlog with this, and I'll try if I do something interesting in day or something like that, because it's time today 14:33, right? So if I'll be doing anything extra or something like that, I'll definitely show you guys. Okay, so for now, bye bye. Please do like, share, comment, and tell me how can I improve and what all things you want to see. So I'm just starting it. I just really need your help, guys. So just let me know whatever you want to see, and I'll just put everything there, and I'll try my best to give you a lot of fun. Okay, bye. So I did not give you the look. I'm sorry. I'm saying a lot of byes, but I'm not saying bye to you. I will not bore you again.